welcome to Biza'S Kitchen and More. Today we're out of the kitchen and I'm going to be learning Shona with my Gogo. Gogo means grandmother in Shona. Shona is the main language spoken by Zimbabweans. So this is my Gogo and my name is Angeline, and this is my Gogo's also named Angeline.
My name is Mrs. Gambiza kana kuti Gogo Gambiza. I'm here to teach my
Your granddaughter?
My granddaughter. So her name is my name again. So I'm trying to teach her Shona, our language, to Zimbabwe.
This is Learn Shona with me, part 1, and now we're going to be starting with the basics greeting. So Gogo, how do you say good morning in Shona?
Yeah. In Shona, pachurungu, unoti good morning, it means mangwanani. Mangwanani.
And Gogo, how do you say good afternoon in Shona?
Yeah. Good afternoon means in Shona masikati.
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 So Gogo, how do you say good evening?
Good evening zvinoda kuti manheru.
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 And Gogo, how do you say thank you?
Thank you means maita basa, waita zvako mazviita.
Maita basa?
Maita basa kana kuti mazviita in Shona.
Oh.
Yeah.
And see, so Gogo, how do you say you are welcome in
kana takuti you are welcome pachirungu, pachizezuru tinoti mauya.
Mauya.
Yeah, we are welcome.
Mauya.
We are happy to see you. Mauya. Tombundirana kudai. Mauya.
So Gogo, how do you say goodbye the best day?
Goodbye means toonana. Tichaonana. Goodbye.
Tonana.
Yeah. Kana kuti chiriyo.
That's what my grandma always liked to say when we leave.
Yeah.
So this is the end of Learning Shona with me, part 1. So thank you guys for learning Shona with me, and thank you to my Gogo for teaching me Shona. So thank you guys for stopping by at the More side of Biza'S Kitchen and More. Tonana!
Goodbye.
Bye. So thank you guys to the basics of greeting.
No.